Yes, you can absolutely make money with Instagram quote pages, but here's what nobody tells you. The path most gurus describe is outdated or completely wrong. You've seen these pages, simple quotes, plain backgrounds, nothing fancy, and you've probably wondered, how do they actually make money? Well, I'm going to show you the real method that's working right now, and not the BS shout-out fantasy that everyone keeps repeating. First, let's clear something up. You will hear people say charge $200 to $500 per shout-out. Here's the reality. If you have under 50K followers, nobody's going to give you $200 for a shout-out. Maybe $20 to $50 if you're lucky, and they're desperate. The problem is the shout-out market is oversaturated, and unless you have massive proven engagement, brands aren't interested. So forget about that for now. Here's what successful small quote pages are doing right now. UGC creation and micro brand partnerships. So let me break this down. UGC stands for user-generated content. You probably already know that. Brands pay regular people to create content that looks authentic and not like an ad. And quote pages are perfect for this because you already understand content creation and you have an engaged audience, even if it's small. And here's the beautiful part. You can start this with as few as 2,000 followers, engaged followers, not 100,000, not even 50,000 followers, just 2,000 people, real people who engage and save and share your posts. So this is how it works. Let's say you run a motivational quote page focused on fitness. Here's the monetization path. First of all, you build your page. We're going to come to that later. And once you hit 2,000 followers, with consistent engagement, you sign up for platforms like Collapser or Aspire IQ. That's the trick. These connect micro-influencers with brands looking for authentic content, and all you have to do is to search through campaigns. You choose a platform right here, then you choose the category right here. This is what brands do, by the way, and they will find you in this list here. That's how I found this person, for example, this girl just makes posts, less than 1.5K followers, and she sells these Instagram stories for, well, you can see it on a screen. Also, when you set up your Collapser account, you can browse the available campaigns from brands. For example, a certain productivity app needs 10 posts showing someone using their app with motivational or fitness captions. They pay like $100 or $200 per package. You apply, you create the content in your style, and you get paid. Now, realistic numbers with 10K engaged followers, so that's 10,000, you can realistically make from $100 to $400 per sponsored post or UGC package. Do 4 or 6 of these per month is going to be good. Not life-changing immediately. Forget about that. But this is real money that actually lands in your account. Now, why this works better than shoutouts is because brands don't care about your follower count as much as they care about engagement rate and niche alignment. And a quote page about discipline and success or fitness, it's perfect for productivity apps for some journal brands, self-improvement courses, or supplement companies, or some fitness brands. These companies have marketing budgets, and they're actively looking for creators like you. Now let's talk about building the page because you need the foundations first. First of all, choose your specific niche. Don't just do motivation. That's too broad. All right, pick something specific. Entrepreneur mindset quotes, or fitness discipline quotes, or financial freedom quotes, student productivity quotes. The more specific, the more valuable your audience becomes to brands. And when it comes to content creation, you don't need design skills. Just use ChatGPT. Give me 20 quotes about financial discipline and wealth building. And of course, you're going to get it. Then just use Canva. Search for Instagram quote templates and then just pick a consistent minimalistic style like this one and just stick with it. Consistency builds brand recognition. Now, pro tip, the best performing quotes aren't feel-good fluff. They're slightly uncomfortable truths. So use ChatGPT like this. Honestly, these make people pause. They get saved, and saves is what matters, more than likes. For example, this one here, well, it's gonna make a lot of people stop and just look at it for a few seconds, and that's what you need. Now for the growth strategy, first of all, Reels over static posts, if you can, because Instagram pushes video. You take your quote, you add a simple zoom animation or trending audio, just make it a 7-second reel. This will give you 10 times more the reach. Also, use this Meta Business Suite. Just schedule 2 weeks of your content in one sitting. Consistency beats perfection, and this is what it's built for. Engagement pods are weak, but strategic following works. Go to big pages in your niche, click on their recent posts, and then follow people who commented thoughtfully, all right? These are engaged users who will actually interact with your content. 20-30 followers per day. Instagram won't flag you, and you are going to get like 10% back. They will follow you back. Also, you can collaborate with similar sized pages wherever you are. If you have 5,000, just find those. Do some mutual story shoutouts every week. This costs nothing and exposes you to aligned audiences. Okay, now for the timeline. Realistic timeline. In the first few months, you build 1,000, 2,000 followers. That's 2 months. Post daily, then test what resonates. From month 3 to 4, just hit 5,000 followers. Start engaging with brands in your DMs. Small brands will work with you for some free products or maybe $50, $100. You have to reach out to them. You will get a lot of no's, and a lot of them will ignore you, but that's the part of it. Month 5 and 6, reach 8 to 10,000. Sign up for UGC platforms, the one that I showed you. Land your first $150 or $300 deal. From month 7 to month 12, that's a year, grow to 15 to 25,000, and now you're getting consistent brand deals, $400, $600 per post, multiple times per month. But this isn't overnight, but it's real. I'm talking about a year here. So you have to think also, are you ready for it? But the good news is that once you have over 10K followers, you can do much more. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products you genuinely believe in. Amazon Associates promote books, productivity tools. You can just put the link in your bio using Linktree. A page with 15K followers can make $200 to $500 a month passively from affiliate links if you do it right. Also, digital products. You can sell like $7 to $15 quote wallpaper pack or Notion template aligned with your niche. Even 50 sales per month is an extra, $400. And finally, shoutouts. Yes, once you're at 25,000 plus with strong engagement, you can charge $100 for shoutouts, $150. The market is oversaturated, and that's not going to be your main income. Shoutouts are a bonus. So here's what separates people who make this work from people who quit. You have to treat it like a media asset, not a hobby, not a get-rich-quick scheme. You are building attention here. You build trust, you build distribution, and money follows that. Most people quit at 2,000 followers because they haven't seen the money yet. The people who win, they understand that 5,000 followers is the breakthrough point, and you got to understand that too. But once again, are you ready for it? Do you have the time for it? Do you have the patience for it? Also, don't buy followers, ever. Engagement rate matters more than numbers. A fake 50,000 followers account makes nothing. A real account with even 2,000 followers, it's better. And once you get it, don't ignore your DMs. Brands will reach out directly sometimes. Respond professionally. And don't undervalue yourself once you get there. If you have 10K engaged followers in a specific niche, $200 per post is a fair price. Don't accept 50 when you get there. Until there, you accept all you get. And once again, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate online business model. A lot of people are doing it. But this requires 3 to 6 months of consistent effort before you see some money in it. But here's the thing. Once it's running, it's semi-passive income. You spend 3 to 4 hours per week managing it, and it pays you from $1,000 to $3,000 per month. No face required, no advanced skills, no huge investment. But the question is, will you actually stick with it long enough to see results? Most won't. If you do, you're already ahead. That's it. Now, go build something real. Wish you good luck.